Hello student, we see some questions which are related to inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so see, differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x is 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. Differentiation of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. So see, differentiation of cot 3x. Okay, so differentiation of cot x minus cosec square x. In this, coefficient of x is 3, so write 3, and differentiation of cot is minus cosec square 3x. Right? Now, in place of cot 3x, suppose there is cot inverse 3x. Suppose there is cot inverse 3x. Differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. See, the coefficient of x is 3. So write 3 minus 1 upon, see, this is x and this is x square. So this is 3x. So this is 3x whole square. So minus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. So differentiation of cot inverse 3x is minus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. है बेटा समझ में? तो आपको याद रखना है, जैसे एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, d बाई डी एक्स सेक इनवर्स 5x प्लस 9, जैसे इसका निकालना डिफरेंशिएशन, तो आपको सिर्फ क्या देखना है, x का कोफिशिएंट. x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है रे? 5, तो यहाँ लिख देना 5, लिखा. अब डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेक इनवर्स x क्या होता है? 1 अपॉन x अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1. ध्यान रहे, सेक इनवर्स के बाद क्या है? x, तो यहाँ पे भी क्या है? x, और यहाँ क्या है? x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. x की जगह यहाँ क्या लिखा है? 5x प्लस 9, तो क्या आ जाएगा? 5x प्लस 9 अंडर रूट, अब ये 2 टर्म है इसलिए क्या लगाना? ब्रैकेट, 5x प्लस 9 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1. अब आप जैसे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम है तो उसमें आप डायरेक्ट इसका डिफरेंशिएशन लिख सकते हैं विदाउट टेकिंग टी. ठीक है, तो ये याद रखिए बेटा. अब जैसे हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था, क्या था फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? d बाई डी एक्स साइन इनवर्स x अपॉन ए. अब जैसे x अपॉन ए है तो x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 1 अपॉन ए, लिख दिया 1 अपॉन ए. और साइन इनवर्स x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है? 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. वहाँ x है, यहाँ क्या है? x अपॉन ए, तो क्या आएगा? 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन ए होल स्क्वायर. इसको आप सॉल्व कर लेना. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या रखना है? डिफरेंशिएशन में जो x का कोफिशिएंट है वो हमेशा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में रहता है. ठीक है, चलो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस. Now see question number 5. Question number 5. d by dx tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Yes, see, tan inverse x, and now this is 1 plus x square. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So apply quotient rule or divide rule. So d by dx tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Our formula is denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. Denominator whole square. Now differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x. Tan inverse x with respect to x, 1 upon 1 plus x square minus tan inverse x. Differentiation of 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of x square is 2x. Whole upon 1 plus x square whole square. Cut. So we have 1 minus 2x tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square whole square. So differentiation of tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square is 1 minus 2x tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square whole square. Clear? Now see next question. Question number 6. d by dx e raised to ax sine inverse bx. See, we have to apply quotient rule. Now in this question, product rule. d by dx e raised to x sine inverse bx. So e raised to x is first function, sine inverse bx is second function. Now apply product rule. Yes, we know the formula for product rule. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Okay. Now e raised to ax, yes, we already saw. Differentiation of sine inverse bx, coefficient of x is b, and differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. With x there is b, so write coefficient of x is b, 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Put x as bx and whole square. Doubt? See again. d by dx sine inverse x, 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Clear? Now with sine inverse x there is b. Now coefficient of x is b, so b up, and differentiation of sine inverse is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. With x there is b, so we have to put b x whole square. Clear? Plus sine inverse bx. Now differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Differentiation of 2x, e raised to 2x. So coefficient of x is 2. So here 2 and e raised to x, yes, we know that. So differentiation of e raised to 2x is 2 e raised to 2x. Again see differentiation of e raised to minus 5x plus 3. Coefficient of x is minus 5, and differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. In place of x, minus 5x plus 3. So the differentiation is e raised to minus 5x plus 3. Clear? तो आपको याद रखना है जो x का कोफिशिएंट होगा वो आपको प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है डिफरेंशिएशन में। और उसके बाद आप फॉर्मूले से कंपैरिजन करना है। e रेस टू एक्स का क्या होता है, e रेस टू एक्स। अब e टू द पावर क्या है, -5x + 3, तो -5x + 3 e टू द पावर आएगा। -7x + 9 होगा तो -7x + 9 की पावर रहेगी। क्लियर? सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ e रेस टू ax इज a e रेस टू ax because a is coefficient of x. Now we can take e raised to ax as common. So inside b upon under root 1 minus b square x square plus a sin inverse bx. So differentiation of e raised to ax sin inverse bx is e raised to ax b upon under root 1 minus b square x square plus a sin inverse bx. Clear? Now see some questions. Question number 7. Question number 7. d by dx x tan inverse x. Again we have two terms, x tan inverse x. So d by dx x tan inverse x. Now x is first function, tan inverse x is second function. Now apply product rule. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square and differentiation of x is 1. So we have tan inverse x. So our answer is x upon 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. Simple question. We have to apply product rule. Product rule is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. तो x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है, 1 होता है। x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 और tan इनवर्स x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now see question number 8. Yes, see question number 8. d by dx cot inverse cot x. d by dx cot inverse cot x. We know the differentiation of cot inverse cot x. We know the differentiation of cot inverse x, which is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So d by dx cot inverse cot x. So let cot x is equal to t. Now d by dx cot inverse t. Function is in the form of t and we have to differentiate with respect to x. We can't. So write d by dx as d by dt cot inverse t into dt by dx. Differentiation of cot inverse t with respect to t minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. d by dx. Put the value of t, which is cot x. Now differentiation of cot x with respect to x minus 1 upon 1 plus t. Put the value of t, cot square x, and differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So this minus and this minus plus, so cosec square x upon 1 plus cot square x. Okay. One plus cot square x, cosec square x, and cosec square x cancel. So answer is 1. Now see beta, we can solve this question with another method. See beta, d by dx cot inverse cot x. Yes, we can apply self adjusting property. So d by dx, yes, cot inverse cot x means x, and differentiation of x is 1. So there are two methods to solve this question. One is take cot x as t, and second one is apply self adjusting property. Cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू थीटा. ठीक है, तो हमने सबसे पहले बड़ी मेथड बताया, उसका शॉर्टकट सेकेंड टाइम बताया आपको. सो दिस इज सेकेंड मेथड. क्लियर? नाउ सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yes, next question is question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Question number 9. Yes. d by dx tan inverse log x. d by dx tan inverse log x. So d by dx tan inverse log x. d by dx tan inverse log x. We know the differentiation of tan inverse x. So take log x as t. So we have d by dx tan inverse t. Now the function is in the form of t, and we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we can't. So write d by dx as d by dt tan inverse t into dt by dx. Differentiation of tan inverse t with respect to t, 1 upon 1 plus t square. d by dx, put the value of t is log x, and we know that the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Now put the value of t. Yes, t is log x. t square means log square x, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So the answer is 1 upon x in bracket 1 plus log square x. Okay, so we saw the questions which are related to inverse trigonometric function. Okay, in next video also we see some other questions which are related to this formula. Thank you.